I have Medicare Supplement F. I've had it for years, and I like it. Can I keep it, or is it gone away?
Great question, Dad. Because the majority of people that have a Medicare supplement right now have a Plan F, and they're getting nervous because they know that the magic date of January 1st, 2020 is quickly approaching, and on that date, things are going to change. New people that are aging into Medicare won't be able to buy a Plan F. It's gone. It's not available for them under any circumstances, no exceptions. They can't get it. But everybody that already has one can keep it. The big question, the million-dollar question that you really need to discuss with us is, should you keep it? Just because you can, you might not want to. Typically, if you're with a very small company, they don't have a big block of business to weather the storm. And oftentimes, if no new people can buy a plan, those rates will go up much higher than the rest of your friends. And you'll be sitting at tennis or Thanksgiving or bridge or at church, and you'll be saying, hey, I just got a 20% rate increase, what'd you get? And your friend's gonna say, I took a 4%. And you're gonna call me, and you're gonna say, hey, why'd that happen? And I'm gonna say, well, it all happened because the law changed, and no new people can buy a Plan F. If you're healthy enough to qualify for a Plan G with that same company or another company, that I would advise it. That's what we do here at the Medicare Family. We try to look at you and your circumstances in your state and give you the best advice we can. You don't pay to use us. We're a free service, so take the time if you have a Plan F or you know somebody with a Plan F and call in and let us give you our advice. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Click on the subscribe button down below and you will get all of the Medicare Family's great training, and we have a video every week to help you with your Medicare plans. Thanks.